Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare candied yams because it's Thanksgiving time for my American friends. I know I'm a French dude and whatnot, but for personal reasons, we celebrate Thanksgiving, my significant American love, my French family and myself. So I'm all up for turkey time. This recipe is very much American. L'Amérique, l'Amérique, je veux la voir et je l'aurai. It's a side dish and it goes very well with, well, stuffed turkey. What you will need to make candied yams is 2 pounds of peeled and chopped in chunks sweet potato.
French word of the day.
The French word of the day is patate douce. Douce, not douche, douce.
The juice of an orange.
Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 5 tablespoons of butter. Put 33 fluid ounces of salted water on a boil in a pot over high heat. Peel sweet potatoes and chop them into medium-sized chunks. Once water is boiling, toss sweet potatoes chunks in the pot and boil for 8 to 10 minutes. The chunks need to stay firm. They will bake more further in the baking pan. Drain water and set chunks aside in a mixing bowl. Add both sugars in the sauté pan and bring to a melt over medium heat. Add butter and orange juice and mix for a minute. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Add mixture, ginger, nutmeg and cinnamon to the mixing bowl and coat chunks. Transfer mixture to a baking pan. Bake for 30 minutes. And gently mix a couple of times during the cooking process. Be careful not to burn yourself. Voila! I hope you enjoy watching this video as I like making it. Please give a thumb up to show support and comment to let me know what you think about the recipe, of course. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all new videos. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, à bientôt, and happy Thanksgiving to all!